Today we're going to talk about the ECB G3 breaker, how to install it and uninstall it, and the features. The ECB breaker has a Visitrip window. When the breaker is off, the window is green. When the breaker is on, the window turns white. The breaker also can be in auto mode, where it's controllable, or in manual mode, where it acts like a standard breaker. To put the breaker in manual mode, take a screwdriver or your finger, insert it in the white tab, push over slightly and up. To put it back into auto, push the white tab down and in, and it locks back in. To properly install an ECB breaker, the 6-pin male connector must be properly seated into the female connector on the control bus. To complete the installation of the ECB breaker, tighten the mounting screw to the torque specification listed on the side of the ECB breaker.